Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord loading chunk failed error. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you get this error, then most likely you're on Windows, so hopefully this should help. First of all, you're going to go to the start menu, type run, and then in run you're going to write this code right here, percentage local app data percentage. Then click OK. Once you do that, you're going to search for Discord by clicking on any folder and then typing the letter D. And as you can see, Discord is right here, and make sure you right click and then click on delete. Now, if it gets an error, then make sure that Discord itself is fully closed and you don't have it running in the background by clicking on here and then right clicking on whatever that Discord is and then click on shut down. Now from here, going to close this app. I'm going to go to run again. But this time we're going to write app data without the local and then percentage, click OK. And then from here, going to see Discord again, right click and then go to delete. And that's all. Now you can, for the best measures, delete Discord fully from wherever you have it installed. So if you have Discord on this space, then just make sure that is fully gone. And then you're going to go to the official website of Discord. And from here at discord.com, simply click on download for Windows. Once you install it and re-log in, then you should be good. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.